Hello everyone, myself Akash Sahu and I'm a modern stack developer. The purpose of creating this video just explain the functionality of my task as well as the technologies that I used in my project. So first I explain the front and back end technologies that I used. Like on the front end side, I used the React.js as well as Bootstrap for designing and manual CSS as well. And on the backend side, I use the Node.js and the pattern is MVC, Model View Controller pattern. And for storing the database, I use the MongoDB Atlas. And for storing purpose, I use the AWS S3 service and it's the front view of the task. As per the requirement, I create the drop down area where I drop my file. So I just so it's my file. It's my file. Node.js developer task. I drag it and drop inside the area. It's just added inside in the list of the files with the name of the file is a Node.js developer task, and also so the size of the file in bytes. We can say it also added in the database. I just want to refresh the database. Okay, so file is added with the name and the size. It's the URL that is comes from the AWS S3 bucket. I use it for download and show the files. So I just show. Uh, if I want to delete that this file, so I just click on the delete icon. So you can see it also delete from the database as well. I just again want to refresh it. So we can say only one file is here, another is deleted, and I add one more file. So file is added and I want to download, I want to perform download operations. So I just click on the download icon and file is download in my system. You can see file is download in my system. So all operations are working fine, and now I explain about the little bit more about the functionalities. So it's the MVC architecture style, and I use the routers like uploading files and downloading the files as well, and I use the git repository, and it's my GitHub uh, accounts. In this pattern, I use the models where I store the database and the model of the files, and if I talking about the storage configuration part, so it's the configuration part. Credentials I use, it's the credentials, and it's the Malta S3 configuration. And now I talking about it in React. I use the built-in hooks and the functional component and use effect as well, and it's the manual CSS that I return for designing. Thank you.